already coming to the point na na yung detalye na lang ang pinag-uusapan. Yung listahan ng mga claimant na nalinis na, maayos na. And we are just waiting for the details to be worked out between the Saudi side. But in concept, in principle, itutuloy talaga nila. Itutuloy talaga nila yung pagbayad doon sa insurance claims ng mga nagtatrabaho sa mga negosyo na nalugi nung nagsara nung COVID. So that will continue to go. Matatapos natin yan.
Sir, when po kaya?
I'm sorry?
Kailan po natin ina-expect, sir?
Well, I cannot say because it also depends on the internal processes in Saudi Arabia. So, but we again, I know for a fact that they will be paid. It's just a question of when.